Nope.
Be honest, how many of you spotted? I glitched my way to victory. Am I gonna take this as a win? 100%. I don't think I won. Oh, okay. So this is the first round, I think. Nah, we're chilling. We're chilling. Am I slow? Am I supposed to go backwards? Oh my, bro, I'm already having struggles. I don't know what I'm doing. Bruh. Bro, please. I don't know what's going on. I thought there was supposed to be a poster telling me what level I'm on. Speedrun. 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 There you go. This is the first level. Looks normal to me. Yes. Light work. Exit A update. Oh my god. Okay. Don't approach the men. Stay away from the men. They're evil. It startled me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Anomaly! 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 Oh, this is gonna be easy. It's gonna be a walk in the park. That's an anomaly. Yeah. I don't remember seeing that. I need to see if I could increase sensitivity. Horizon. Yeah. Just like a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off the blur. It's kind of bugging me. Resume. There you go. There you go. That feels a lot better. Okay. Loken. Whoa. Wait, was my controls always like that? Why does it feels inverted or reversed? Normal. Put it normal. Did I accidentally change that? I might have. There you go. I hate it when it's inverted. That just tripped me out. Bro, this is light work. Seriously, come on now. What did I miss? This is the same level, right? What? I thought that was normal. Alright. Okay, nothing wrong with the paintings, okay. Check. Security camera in operation. Yep. No socks, pointy shoes, black jeans, blue shirt, little bag, phone, receding hairline. Looks normal to me. Looks pretty normal to me. Doors look normal. This looks normal. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Alright. Okay, this looks normal. Doors look normal. That looks normal. Normal. No. No. Why? 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 Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That freaking terrified me. Right. This looks higher than normal. He looks normal. Posters look normal. That looks normal. So boom, boom. Alright. Alright. Is that supposed to have a number? Looks good. If this one's wrong, that camera's supposed to be on the right side. Just saying. Alright, never mind. Alright. Posters look normal off rip. So look nothing wrong with them. Air vents, lights, cameras. This guy looks normal. I was tripping. I'm tripping. This is good. Bruh, what did I miss? You know, the first round's always a 50-50. Okay. Frick that. It's light work. Second chance is always... Do I even need to stay there, bro? Come on. Giving me easy ones out here. Third chance is always a 50-50. You know. Bruh, extra poster. Light work. Light work. This one looks normal so far, actually. Still has receding hair. Zesty walk. Phone's good. Bag is good. Alright. Chilling. Is that a double sign again? Wait. Yeah, right? Wait, I think the sign is normal. Am I getting lucky? You know what? There's a sign again. I'm gonna just keep going until it says I'm wrong. No, there's no way. I think it hit me with the same anomaly back to back. I see it all the way down there, so I'm gonna go backwards. Bro, Come on. Back to back to back to back. Let me see. Poster? Bet. It's light work. I'm making light work at it. I just won the game. I just won the game. Post? Bet. Hear me out. I think she want me. Let me disappear once I'm already over here. Anomaly, 50-50. 50-50 chance right here. Yeah, there you go. What did I say? What did I say? This looks normal. All of this looks normal. You look normal. These doors look normal. This looks normal. That looks normal. That looks normal. This one is normal. Yes, sir. Observing. Robot mode activated. Robot mode has been activated. Observing everything. Observing everything. Observing everything. Anything and everything. Okay. Alright. Oh! It's upside down. Anomaly! Anomaly. Pay attention. Details matter. Details matter in everything in life. I'm not gonna lie. I've seen a TikTok clip. And I know what will happen if I approach. Did you guys spot that? Be honest. How many of you spotted it? It's right behind me. Man, this guy's slow. Wait. I thought he was gonna keep chasing me. No! I didn't mean to do that!
Nope.
Don't approach them. Don't approach. Just walk away. You ever go to a subway and you see two people in suits staring at you? That's on some Squid Games. Get out of there. Or you might become player 253. I didn't even think of that one. I just dipped. Because I know what I'm doing. I pay attention. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna approach it. That scared the crap out of me. I was not expecting that. Alright. I'm gonna go in. Please, nothing jump out at me. Oh, it's just... Did I fall? 50-50 chance. And I never lose. I thought this was going to be a short video. Looks like it's going to be a long video. Well, not long, but I'm obviously going to cut some parts out. But, you know. Or maybe I could leave no parts out. I don't know what y'all would prefer, but... I don't know. Being all studious. Whoa. Question is, can I drown? Okay, well, I guess that answers the question, because I've been talking to myself. But if it wasn't recording, then I'd be double not talking to myself. Oh wait, right. I gotta check. What was the issue? What did I miss? Everything looked normal. Maybe it was the sign. Wait, what? I glitched my way to victory. Am I going to take this as a win? 100%. I don't think I won. Whatever. I don't care too much about it. I just want to experience. I want to feel it, Steve. I want to feel it. I want to feel it. Ah!
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I need water.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
By the way, if this video does pretty good, I will play the other Exit 8 games or other Anomaly games. Just leave a recommendation in the comments. If you will. Alright, I think that's definitely Anomaly. Speaking to future me here, please edit that and zoom in on Steve being a weirdo. Gotta send myself a message because I'll probably forget that. Hey, I'll do it for the chase. Run. I'll do it for the chase. I'm here for the chase. Always. Always here for the chase and nothing else. Actually, that could be interpreted in very different ways. So, Anomaly! I saw you. That's right. You dirty Anomaly poster.
Ah, you're teasing me. Naughty.
Hey, 5. We coming in close. We coming in close. It's dark. Steve, I will stand by your side. I will watch your back. The amount of anomalies that Steve probably goes through, I low-key feel bad for Steve. He's probably went through it so much that it just doesn't affect him anymore. A monster's about to come out and chop his head off. He's unaffected. Yeah. He knows his life is infinite. Steve does not care. He is unfazed. He's probably seen me so many times. I mean, think about all the people that have played this game. Let's say 10,000 people played this game. And let's say 10,000 of those people beat the game first try. There's 8 levels. So Steve would have seen my character 80,000 times. And people obviously don't beat it first try. So just multiply that. Keep multiplying it. Because I guarantee over 10,000 people have played this game also. Way over. There's no way. Oh, posters are bigger. I almost completely missed that. They looked weird. This is the last one. Alright, lock in. Lock in. Chad. All of my subscribers are Giga Chads, by the way, so no, make sure to hit that button. Make me proud. I want to be proud. Alright. This looks good. So if it's not, I'm crying myself to sleep tonight. And that is not a joke. Grab Steve and throw him through a brick wall. What am I doing wrong? I'm doing something wrong. There's no way. That's different. Tile on the floor. That was different. 100%. That poster. Alright. Okay. Come on. Keep giving it to me. Pause. Pause. 4 lights. 3 lights on that side. 4 lights on that side. 7 lights on that side. This looks pretty normal. Yeah. Looks pretty normal to me. Yeah. Let's see. Let's take a look. I won't look at Steve yet. He looks normal so far. Don't pay too much attention to him right now. Looks normal. I think. Pretty sure. I'd pay attention. Pay attention. Oh, look at that. I'm tired of that guy chasing me, you know. So I'm gonna just instantly go over here. Okay. Nothing activated, no water, lights. Stuff looks normal. Security camera in operation. The lady looks nice. Did I count 5? Is there supposed to be 5? Did I accidentally say 4 that last time? There's only one way to find out. So there's 5 on the left side, not 4. I must have miscounted. No smoking, exit 8. That looks normal. She looks normal. Steve looks normal for the most part. Yeah. Camera, little box. Cameras, boxes. 7, 5. Poster looks normal. That looks normal. No smoking, security camera, 5 lights, box, no smoking. Steve looks normal, that looks normal, she looks normal. Steve looks normal. Did I already say that? I think I did. Wait, Steve. Let me check you out a little bit more. Doors look normal. Vents look normal. Sign looks normal. These posters look normal. Security camera in operation. Already counted the lights right. This is normal. No anomaly. Yes! Yes! Hooray! Hooray! Cinema! Ah! There you go. It's not supposed to go black. Yeah, there's all the credits. Shout out to all these people. You know, making a good game. Still making good games. I made it outside. Shout out to everything that was just on the screen. Cinema. Absolute cinema. Beautiful game. Let's go. Hey, if you made it this far, I appreciate you so much for watching.